Truly, the nature walk is only you going into these bushes, finding something, and coming.
I guess that's what you could call it. Ayo, it's Serpent Sir, and I'm here with
Just take the stuff out.
I'm here with. I'm here.
Hold it.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
You already know what my name is.
I'm here with Kaliber. Sink,
No.
right?
No, that's not my YouTube.
We're going back in the woods because
That's not my YouTube.
you have to do a nature.
Wait.
Are my boots over there? Hey, can you like do something like real quick?
Yeah.
You ever been in that water? That water.
Yeah.
Like you ever just wanted to step in there?
Yep.
I mean, I got boots over there. Rubber boots. You want to just put those on, you know?
Just yeet in there?
It's content. If it goes wrong, it goes viral. It's also size 12, so actually I might do it. I can do it.
I have socks.
All right, you know what? Forget the boots.
No.
Put them. They're larger than your. They're large. They're a large size.
Yeah, you do it. Besides, your channel over there.
Is that a? Okay, let's go in the.
Let's go in the woods.
I can't believe I tried to make you wear those. That's disgusting.
It's wet. And I kind of don't take that out of context.
Just get a cool zoom in on these seeds.
Just to see those seeds, if you know what I'm talking about.
All right, that's blurry. If you could just like. Okay, forget those seeds. You know?
Oh, I got the seeds. Lit close up.
That's it.
So,
Welcome to the jungle, people.
shoot. My J's. See, here's them. Shoot. My J's. So what are we doing again?
We're gonna head due east because that's the way I like it.
Of course. Just,
if you could just ignore the thorns, because they really hurt.
Yeah.
This is,
Like this plant's about to whack me in the neck.
I'll just take that one. Okay. You just step on that vine. Wrong vine. Alright, let's go.
My Imagine a snake pulls. Oh, Jacob.
What?
I found another house. Should we sneak in there? Sneak thief.
Sneak into someone's house?
You should do a sneak thief video. Like a, a skit.
Oh.
Sneak thief skit.
That would be sick.
Instead of that, we should do a sneak. You know what? Instead of nature walk, we should do a sneak thief skit.
Are you bailing on a nature walk already?
No. These are really cutting my edges. I wish we
I feel bad. You got a stick or anything?
Yep.
It's just spirit in there. Go all trident on them.
Just gonna get up close and personal.
What?
If I fall this.
You won't fall because you're getting too close. That's the only reason you would fall.
No, I give up. I give up.
Look out! I think Moto likes you.
I like 'em big. I like 'em chunky.
Did it? Alright, yeah,
Is there any creatures in this water?
it's probably mosquitoes and frogs. Yeah, I think I know why the Nature Walk series didn't do so well.
Yeah, it's literally just, yeah.
Yeah, that's it for the vlog. We're probably not going to do this ever again, unless it snows. But yeah, that's why I don't do these anymore. All right. Heyo, Serpent Sir. Welcome to the first ever Nature Walk video. Okay, I'm back. So you can see we have more pencil guy PC.
Oh, what's up?
He's a little bit camera shy. I'm surprised he has his own channel.
It's just that I didn't even know you were recording. I thought you were just talking to yourself. Because you said, oh, okay. Then I just started.
Yeah. I'll just show you something that happened this day in here. As you can see, we have I think these are snake holes.
Yeah, I think those are snake
Before
holes.
it rained, this whole lake used to be way further back. Oh shoot, is that rabbit poop? Ew, I can smell it. Bro, that's disgusting. The montage of the photos we're taking here.
We're always gonna, I think he's always gonna do my
Montage happening in 3, 2, 1.
Like that, right?
Can the styrofoam even float? Just throw it in. Whoa.
What the freak?
I did not get any footage of that.
Bruh.
I had the camera down. It's just been a long week. I had a party with my fam, you know, it was my birthday. So if you like the series, this is obviously just a demo. You can hear the animals in the background, but I will be posting more whether you like it or not, because I like this. I don't go outside enough. See you guys next time. Peace out. You know, my channel's gonna be right up there. His down there. It's the recent video, and that's the playlist. So if you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.